Alright, all weather HVAC. It's July the 29th. This is a fan coil unit with a refrigerated evap coil and a hot water heating coil. So you see the hot water coming in there with that pressure gauge on it and the red PEX tubing. So that's for your heat side of the system. And then you're gonna have right there where the white insulation is, that's gonna be your line set and your TXV valve for the refrigeration. There's the TXV head. And then all your control wiring. 2 little fans for the whole house. And that's it. Fan coil unit. All weather HVAC.